So I wanted to show you guys a quick video. This is what my kitchen looks like. I wasn't feeling very well today, so that's dinner out of the pressure cooker, dishes in the sink. This is a mess, that's a mess, that's a mess. There's laundry. Laundry needs to be done. There's homework, markers from 2 days. Ruby's had a field day. I'm throwing all their stuff away. There's Ruby. Hi, baby. Hey, girl. I love my baby. Waiting. My kids are at church right now. I'm going to pick them up. When I come home, I'm feeding them. I'm putting them straight to bed, and I'm going to clean. I have not been feeling well today. Just really not feeling good. I have days where I just don't feel good. Are there any moms out there? Give me a thumbs up in this video if there are other moms out there that just don't feel good every single day. And this is my house. People always comment, oh, your house is so clean, it's so perfect, how do you do it? Listen, I'm a real person. There's chips. Y'all, there's chips on the floor. Do you hear me? There's 2 bags of chips on the floor. I'm a real person. Nothing is perfect. I do the best I can do. I just hope that I'm here encouraging and motivating you because, Lord, we all need it. Look at that mess, y'all. A Velveeta wrapper. Oh my gosh. So tonight I am going to start in my living room. My kitchen's so messy that I want to spend some extra time in it, so I'm going to just do the living room first. I'm just going to get it back to the way it needs to look when I wake up in the morning. That's just making the blankets look nice, folding them, fluffing the pillows. You can see Ruby is waiting for me to go to bed. This is what she does every single night. If we're not in bed at a decent hour, she will wait. So I'm just going to clean all this up. She had a field day with one of her toys and there's fluff everywhere. So yeah, this room definitely needed some attention. If you guys are new with me, welcome. I'm so happy you're here. My name is Lynn, I'm mama of 5, and I post weekly cleaning motivation. So make sure you guys are subscribed so you don't miss a thing. So it's okay that I vacuum in the evening because this V8 Absolute is pretty quiet as long as it's not on max speed. So it's really nice because I can do this and not wake anybody up. I even did it in the hallway and it doesn't wake them up. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's not whisper quiet, but it is so much quieter than a normal size vacuum and so much quieter than my V6. I've had a lot of you guys ask me for the link for that vacuum. It's in my Amazon store in the description box. Also, the details on my couch, and it's from Haverty's, and it's in the description box as well. I need to put my pillowcases, the Buffalo Check pillowcases, in my store, but those are from Amazon. So let me know if y'all want that link. While the kids were at church, I decided to make myself something good to eat. I didn't want to eat out, so I made my lemon pepper chicken, the gluten-free chicken out of the pressure cooker. I will link that recipe above. You guys, it is amazing. You really have to try it. So I'm just going to clean all the dishes. As you guys saw earlier, there were a lot, and honestly I did not clean throughout the day, so dishes sat in the sink a little longer than usual today. I'm just using regular old Dawn dish soap, nothing fancy today. So I have to say that I think cleaning the dishes is actually really relaxing, and I think it's probably one of my favorite things to do. There's a lot of things I don't like to do, but cleaning the kitchen is not one of them. I like it. I don't like unloading the dishwasher. So let me know in the comments below, what is your favorite chore in the house and what is your least favorite?
Holding on to this, holding on. I know I'm holding on to this, holding on. Don't let me repeat it.
So here I am just scrubbing the pressure cooker pot, I guess you would. I don't know what you call that. It is dishwasher safe, but I just like to hand wash this type of stuff, and we didn't have any room in the dishwasher. So that is what I am doing here, giving it a good scrub down before I put it back up. Because I had dishes sitting in the sink, today I am going to use the Barkeeper's Friends. I finally said it right, you guys. I never say it right. I finally said it right. So I'm going to use that, and I'm going to just give the sink a good scrub down.
Well, I resent, I learned to hate. Forgot your names. Fear the struggle to follow on. Need to focus to prove you're wrong.
Some of you guys asked where I got those glass canisters. I actually got them from World Market. Walmart has them, Target has them, and Bed Bath & Beyond has them. Walmart has the cheapest price, and then Target. And actually sometimes they flip-flop. Sometimes Target has the cheapest price, believe it or not. But they do not have a seal. And I was really worried about storing sugar and flour in a glass canister with no seal. So I went to World Market and got it, and they were $13 each. That's the gallon one. And I have one Walmart one that I paid $7 something for that has no seal, and it works just as good. So little tidbit, if you guys want them, it's the Anchor brand. I think they're called Anchor Hawking brand. You do not need the ones with the seal. It keeps everything fresh. I haven't had a problem with it. And I will link those in my Amazon store as well, but they are cheaper at Walmart and Target. But if you want the seal, World Market, they're $13. And if you guys want one with a super tight seal, then I would recommend going to Home Goods, Marshalls, and TJ Maxx. They had some, but they weren't all glass. They had designs on them. So now that this sink has been all scrubbed and rinsed out, I am going to take my doTERRA Essential Oil Lemon Oil and drop about 3 drops in the garbage disposal just to make it smell fresh. I saw my friend Amanda from This Crazy Life blog do it. She is one of my closest friends here on YouTube. She is the most genuine, sincere, and loving person. If you guys aren't familiar with her channel, I'm going to link it down below in my description box. Please go check her out and let her know we sent you. She's amazing and she deserves all the success. She's just amazing. You'll love her.
Trying to find a way to make it easier.
So when I was showing you guys the house before I picked up my kids from church, I put a load in the washer because I knew I needed to be up for a little while. So I went ahead and started one load, and that's what you saw me transfer. And then I put another load in the washer that I will start the next morning. That's a little tip I have for getting your laundry routine moving. Put a load in the evening, get it ready to go, so when you wake up in the morning and before you leave the house to take the kids to school, or when you just wake up, it doesn't matter, just start that and it'll start the process and it will help keep the laundry moving in your house. If I have a ton of laundry to do and I've let it, build up, I will separate the boys' clothes with their own individual bins, and I will show you guys that in an updated laundry routine, or actually a laundry routine. I haven't shown you anything yet. But because the kids are sleeping, I am going to fold everything and put it back in the basket, and I'm going to have them put it away when they wake up in the morning.
I want you all to myself. Don't wanna share you with nobody else. So give me something to believe. Will you promise me? Will you promise me?
So as I mentioned, my husband is not home this evening. He'll be home in a little while, and it is nice to be able to just get in here and clean and just get in the zone. And I absolutely love cleaning in the evening, but when he's not home, for some reason, I'm really, really productive. Anybody else like that? So I will rearrange the whole house or decorate the whole house for a holiday or put the holiday decorations away. It does not matter. I get moving when he is not home. One of the things I do when I'm cleaning in the evening, when I'm done with one room, I turn off that light completely and just move to the next room. And that kind of just gets me focused on one room, and it kind of sets the mood. It sounds silly, sets the mood to clean the other room. But that's what I do. It kind of finalizes that room, and I move to the next one.
Take it easy, take it slow. Ended up just like before. So take it easy.
So you guys let me know in the comments below, what type of cleaning videos do you like the most? Do you like long ones? I just put one out. I'll link above. That was an hour long. Do you like all day cleanings or daytime cleanings? Do you like routine cleaning, or do you like these after hours? I personally love the after hour cleanings more than anything because I'm able to get in the zone and clean and just get things done without having to take care of anybody else, and it's so relaxing to me. I love it. So let me know in the comments below what you guys love, so I can make sure I put those out. Also, if you guys are new with me, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video. Don't forget to let me know in the comments below what kind of cleaning videos you guys like to see. I will post these every single week, so you will get weekly cleaning motivation. And I also will do my normal stuff, lifestyle stuff that I've been doing. So make sure you guys are subscribed. And as always, I love y'all and I am appreciative of every one of you guys. See you in the next one. Bye.